Surah Bani Israel. This surah is Makkiyah, containing 111 verses and 12 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
سبحان الذي أسرى بعبده ليلا من المسجد الحرام إلى المسجد الأقصى الذي باركنا حوله لنريه من آياتنا إنه هو السميع البصير.
Glory be to him who took his bondsmen by the night from the sacred mosque, the Kaaba, to Al-Aqsa mosque, around which we have placed a blessing, in order that we may show him our great signs.
Indeed, he is the all-hearing, the all-seeing.
وآتينا موسى الكتاب وجعلناه هدى لبني إسرائيل ألا تتخذوا من دوني وكيلا.
And we granted Musa the book and made it guidance for the descendants of Israel, that do not appoint anyone as a guardian other than me.
ذرية من حملنا مع نوح إنه كان عبدا شكورا.
O descendants of those whom we carried in the ark along with Nuh, he was indeed a grateful bondsman.
وَقَضَيْنَا إِلَى بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ فِي الْكِتَابِ لَتُفْسِدُنَّ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَرَّتَيْنِ وَلَتَعْلُنَّ عُلُوًّا كَبِيرًا.
And we revealed to the descendants of Israel in the book that indeed you will create great turmoil in the earth twice, and you will definitely become extremely arrogant.
فَإِذَا جَاءَ وَعْدُ أُولَاهُمَا بَعَثْنَا عَلَيْكُمْ عِبَادًا لَنَا أُولِي بَأْسٍ شَدِيدٍ فَجَاسُوا خِلَالَ الدِّيَارِ وَكَانَ وَعْدًا مَفْعُولًا.
Then when the first of the two promises came, we sent upon you some of our fiercely fighting bondsmen. They therefore entered the cities in your search, and this was a promise that was to be fulfilled.
ثُمَّ رَدَدْنَا لَكُمُ الْكَرَّةَ عَلَيْهِمْ وَأَمْدَدْنَاكُمْ بِأَمْوَالٍ وَبَنِينَ وَجَعَلْنَاكُمْ أَكْثَرَ نَفِيرًا.
We then reversed your attack upon them, and aided you with wealth and sons, and increased you in number.
إِنْ أَحْسَنْتُمْ أَحْسَنْتُمْ لِأَنفُسِكُمْ وَإِنْ أَسَأْتُمْ فَلَهَا فَإِذَا جَاءَ وَعْدُ الْآخِرَةِ لِيَسُوءُوا وُجُوهَكُمْ وليدخلوا المسجد كما دخلوه أول مرة وليتبروا ما علوا تتبيرا.
If you do good, you will do good to yourselves, and if you do bad, it is hence for yourself. Then when the second promise came, that enemies may sadden your faces and enter the mosque just as they had entered it the first time, and whatever they gained control of, they may cause utter destruction to it.
عسى ربكم أن يرحمكم وإن عدتم عدنا وجعلنا جهنم للكافرين حصيرا.
Your Lord may have mercy upon you soon, and if you repeat the mischief, we will henceforth punish you again, and we have made hell a prison for the disbelievers.
إن هذا القرآن يهدي للتي هي أقوم ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا كبيرا.
Indeed, this Quran shows that path which is the most straight, i.e., Islamic Sharia, and gives glad tidings to the believers who do good deeds, that for them is a great reward.
وأن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة أعتدنا لهم عذابا أليما.
And this that those who do not believe in the hereafter, we have kept prepared for them a painful punishment.
ويدعو الإنسان بالشر دعاءه بالخير وكان الإنسان عجولا.
And sometimes man prays for evil just as he seeks goodness, and mankind is very hasty.
وجعلنا الليل والنهار آيتين فمحونا آية الليل وجعلنا آية النهار مبصرة لتبتغوا فضلا من ربكم ولتعلموا عدد السنين والحساب وكل شيء فصلناه تفصيلا.
And we created the night and the day as two signs. We henceforth kept the sign of the night wiped out and the sign of the day sight-giving, that you may seek the bounty of your Lord and come to know the calculation of the years and the counting of time. And we have thoroughly explained all things separately in detail.
وكل إنسان ألزمناه طائره في عنقه ونخرج له يوم القيامة كتابا يلقاه منشورا.
And we have attached the destiny of every human being to his neck, and we shall bring forth a register for him on the day of resurrection, which he will find open.
اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم عليك حسيبا.
It will be said to him, read your own book of deeds. This day you are sufficient enough to take account of yourself.
من اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فإنما يضل عليها ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى وما كنا معذبين حتى نبعث رسولا.
Whosoever came towards guidance has come to guidance only for his own good, and whoever went astray has gone astray only for his own ruin. And no burdened soul will bear the burden of another soul, and we do not punish until we have sent a messenger.
وإذا أردنا أن نهلك قرية أمرنا متر فيها ففسقوا فيها فحق عليها القول فدمرناها تدميرا.
And when we will to destroy a town, we first send the commands to its prosperous people. They then become disobedient therein. The word of punishment is consequently proven upon it. We henceforth utterly destroy it.
وكم أهلكنا من القرون من بعد نوح وكفى بربك بذنوب عباده خبيرا بصيرا.
And many generations we destroyed after Nuh, and your Lord is sufficient, aware of the sins of his bondsmen, all-seeing.
من كان يريد العاجلة عجلنا له فيها ما نشاء لمن نريد ثم جعلنا له جهنم يصلاها مذموما مدحورا.
Whoever desires this quick passing enjoyment of this world, we may give him quickly whatever we will, to whomever we will, then assign hell for him, that therein he enters condemned, pushed around.
ومن أراد الآخرة وسعى لها سعيها وهو مؤمن فأولئك كان سعيهم مشكورا.
And whosoever desires the hereafter and strives for it as it should be striven for and is a believer, so only their effort is appreciated.
كلا نمد هؤلاء وما كان عطاء ربك محظورا.
We provide help to all, to these seekers of this world and to those seekers of the hereafter, by the bestowal of your Lord, and there is no stoppage on the bestowal of your Lord.
انظر كيف فضلنا بعضهم على بعض وللآخرة أكبر درجات وأكبر تفضيلا.
Observe how we have given superiority to one over the other, and the hereafter is indeed the greatest in rank and the highest in excellence.
لا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتقعد مذموما مخذولا.
O listener, do not appoint another God with Allah, otherwise you will then remain sitting condemned, helpless.
وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما وقل لهما قولا كريما.
And your Lord has commanded not to worship anyone except Him, and treat parents with goodness if one of them or both reach old age in front of you. So do not say even "oh" to them, and do not scold them, and speak to them words of respect.
واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
And spread for them the arms of humbleness with soft heart, and request humbly that, O my Lord, have mercy on them both, just as they brought me up in my childhood.
ربكم أعلم بما في نفوسكم إن تكونوا صالحين فإنه كان للأوابين غفورا.
Your Lord is well aware of what is in your hearts. If you are righteous, He is henceforth indeed forgiving to those who repent.
وآت ذا القربى حقه والمسكين وابن السبيل ولا تبذر تبذيرا.
And give relatives their right, and give to the needy and to the traveler, and do not spend wastefully.
إن المبذرين كانوا إخوان الشياطين وكان الشيطان لربه كفورا.
Those who spend wastefully are indeed the brothers of the devil, and the devil is extremely ungrateful to his Lord.
وإما تعرضن عنهم ابتغاء رحمة من ربك ترجوها فقل لهم قولا ميسورا.
And if due to poverty you turn your face away from helping them, expecting the mercy of your Lord as a means to help them, which you are hopeful for, so speak to them in gentle words.
ولا تجعل يدك مغلولة إلى عنقك ولا تبسطها كل البسط فتقعد ملوما محسورا.
And do not keep your hand tied to your neck, i.e., do not be miserly, nor open it completely, i.e., do not be wasteful, lest you sit down criticized, tired.
إن ربك يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر إنه كان بعباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Indeed, your Lord increases the livelihood for whom He wills and restricts it. No doubt He knows, sees His bondsmen well.
ولا تقتلوا أولادكم خشية إملاق نحن نرزقهم وإياكم إن قتلهم كان خطأ كبيرا.
And do not kill your children due to the fear of poverty. We will provide sustenance to them and to you as well. Indeed, killing them is a big mistake.
ولا تقربوا الزنا إنه كان فاحشة وساء سبيلا.
And do not even go near zina, i.e., that is unlawful intercourse. It is indeed shamelessness and a very evil way.
ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ومن قتل مظلوما فقد جعلنا لوليه سلطانا فلا يسرف في القتل إنه كان منصورا.
And do not unjustly kill any soul, the killing of which Allah has made unlawful. And whoever is slain unjustly, so we have undoubtedly given the authority, i.e., rights of legal retribution to his heirs. So he should not cross the limit in slaying. He will definitely be helped by the divine law.
ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا بالعهد إن العهد كان مسؤولا.
And do not even approach the wealth of the orphan except in the best way until he reaches the age of maturity, and fulfill your promise. Indeed, every promise will be asked about on the day of judgment.
وأوفوا الكيل إذا كلتم وزنوا بالقسطاس المستقيم ذلك خير وأحسن تأويلا.
And when you measure fully and weigh correctly with the scale. This is better and its outcome is good.
ولا تقف ما ليس لك به علم إن السمع والبصر والفؤاد كل أولئك كان عنه مسؤولا.
And do not pursue the matter of which you do not have knowledge. Indeed, the ear, the eye, and the heart, all of these are going to be questioned.
ولا تمش في الأرض مرحا إنك لن تخرق الأرض ولن تبلغ الجبال طولا.
And do not walk arrogantly on the earth. Undoubtedly, you will indeed never tear the earth apart and will never reach the mountains in height.
كل ذلك كان سيئه عند ربك مكروها.
Whatever of this was mentioned in the previous verses, the evil of it is disliked by your Lord.
ذلك مما أوحى إليك ربك من الحكمة ولا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتلقى في جهنم ملوما مدحورا.
This is part of the revelation of wisdom that your Lord has revealed to you, O beloved. And O listener, do not appoint another God with Allah, lest you will be thrown into hell, taunted, pushed around.
أفأصفاكم ربكم بالبنين واتخذ من الملائكة إناثا إنكم لتقولون قولا عظيما.
Has your Lord chosen sons for you and created daughters for himself from amongst the angels? Indeed, you utter immense, i.e., greatly despicable words.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ لِيَذَّكَّرُوا وَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا نُفُورًا.
And we have indeed explained matters in this Quran in various ways that they may understand. And because of this, i.e., the Quran, nothing increases in them except hatred.
قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ مَعَهُ آلِهَةٌ كَمَا يَقُولُونَ إِذًا لَابْتَغَوْا إِلَى ذِي الْعَرْشِ سَبِيلًا.
Say you, O beloved, if there were other gods except him. As they rant, they would have hence found a way towards the owner of the throne in order to challenge him.
سبحانه وتعالى عما يقولون علوا كبيرا.
Purity and superiority are to him from what they utter, a great superiority.
تسبح له السماوات السبع والأرض ومن فيهن وإن من شيء إلا يسبح بحمده ولكن لا تفقهون تسبيحهم إنه كان حليما غفورا.
The seven heavens and the earth and all those in them glorify him, and there is not a thing that does not proclaim his purity whilst praising him. Yes, you do not understand their method of glorification. Indeed, he is most forbearing, ever forgiving.
وإذا قرأت القرآن جعلنا بينك وبين الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة حجابا مستورا.
And O beloved, when you recited the Quran, we created an invisible veil between you and those who do not believe in the hereafter.
وجعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإذا ذكرت ربك في القرآن وحده ولوا على أدبارهم نفورا.
And we placed covers upon their hearts so that they may not understand it, and heaviness, i.e., a barrier in their ears. And when you remember your only Lord in the Quran, they flee in hatred, turning their backs.
نحن أعلم بما يستمعون به إذ يستمعون إليك وإذ هم نجوى إذ يقول الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا.
We know well the reason they listen when they give ears to you and when they consult each other. Whereas the unjust say, you have not followed except a man who is affected by magic.
انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا.
See the kinds of similarities they put forward for you. They have therefore gone astray, that they cannot find the right path.
وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
And they said, what? When we have become bones and crushed particles, will we really be raised up anew?
قل كونوا حجارة أو حديدا.
Say you, O beloved, become stone or iron.
أو خلقا مما يكبر في صدوركم فسيقولون من يعيدنا قل الذي فطركم أول مرة فسينغضون إليك رؤوسهم ويقولون متى هو قل عسى أن يكون قريبا.
Or some other creation which you deem great. So they will now say, who will create us again? Say you, O beloved, only he who created you for the first time. So now they will say mockingly, shaking their heads at you, when is it going to occur? Say you, perhaps it could be soon.
يوم يدعوكم فتستجيبون بحمده وتظنون إن لبثتم إلا قليلا.
The day when he will call you, so you will come praising him and will think that you have stayed on this earth only a little.
وقل لعبادي يقولوا التي هي أحسن إن الشيطان ينزغ بينهم إن الشيطان كان للإنسان عدوا مبينا.
and tell my bondsmen to speak that which is best. Undoubtedly, the devil causes mischief amongst them. Indeed, the devil is an open enemy of mankind.
ربكم أعلم بكم إن يشأ يرحمكم أو إن يشأ يعذبكم وما أرسلناك عليهم وكيلا.
Your Lord knows you well. If He wills,
He may show mercy upon you, or if He wills, He may punish you. And we have not sent you, O beloved, as responsible over them.
وربك أعلم بمن في السماوات والأرض ولقد فضلنا بعض النبيين على بعض وآتينا داود زبورا.
And your Lord knows well whoever's in the heavens and the earth, and amongst the prophets we indeed made one to excel over the other, and we gave the Zabur to Dawood.
قل ادعوا الذين زعمتم من دونه فلا يملكون كشف الضر عنكم ولا تحويلا.
Say you, O beloved, call upon those whom you assume as deities other than Allah. So they do not have power to remove misfortune from you, nor to avert it.
أولئك الذين يدعون يبتغون إلى ربهم الوسيلة أيهم أقرب ويرجون رحمته ويخافون عذابه إن عذاب ربك كان محظورا.
The devoted bondsmen whom these disbelievers worship, they themselves seek the medium, wasila, to their Lord from the one amongst them, as to who is nearest to his Lord, and they hope for his mercy and fear his punishment. Indeed, the punishment of your Lord is something to be afraid of.
وَإِن مِّن قَرْيَةٍ إِلَّا نَحْنُ مُهْلِكُوهَا قَبْلَ يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ أَوْ مُعَذِّبُوهَا عَذَابًا شَدِيدًا كَانَ ذَلِكَ فِي الْكِتَابِ مَسْطُورًا.
And there is no town but we shall destroy it before the day of resurrection, or punish it severely. This is written in the book, i.e., the preserved tablet.
وَمَا مَنَعَنَا أَن نُرْسِلَ بِالْآيَاتِ إِلَّا أَن كَذَّبَ بِهَا الْأَوَّلُونَ وَآتَيْنَا ثَمُودَ النَّاقَةَ مُبْصِرَةً فَظَلَمُوا بِهَا وَمَا نُرْسِلُ بِالْآيَاتِ إِلَّا تَخْوِيفًا.
And we refrained from sending such signs because the former people belied them, and we gave the nation of Thamud the she-camel as an eye-opener. So they did injustice to her, and we do not send such signs except to cause fear.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لَكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ أَحَاطَ بِالنَّاسِ وَمَا جَعَلْنَا الرُّؤْيَا الَّتِي أَرَيْنَاكَ إِلَّا فِتْنَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَالشَّجَرَةَ الْمَلْعُونَةَ فِي الْقُرْآنِ وَنُخَوِّفُهُمْ فَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا طُغْيَانًا كَبِيرًا.
And when we stated to you, O beloved, that all mankind is in the control of your Lord, and we did not grant the vision, i.e., the wonders of Allah's signs which we showed you, except to test people, and the tree which is cursed in the Quran, and we warned them, nothing henceforth increases for them except extreme rebellion.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ قَالَ أَأَسْجُدُ لِمَنْ خَلَقْتَ طِينًا.
And recall when we ordered the angels that prostrate to Adam, so that all prostrated except Iblis, the devil. He said, should I prostrate to the one whom you have created from clay?
قال أرأيتك هذا الذي كرمت علي لئن أخرتني إلى يوم القيامة لأحتنكن ذريته إلا قليلا.
He, the devil, said, see this one, i.e., the Prophet Adam, whom you have honored above me. If you give me respite till the day of resurrection, I will surely crush his descendants by leading them astray, except a few.
قال اذهب فمن تبعك منهم فإن جهنم جزاؤكم جزاء موفورا.
He, Allah said, get out, so whoever amongst them follows you, hell is therefore the recompense for you all, a fully deserving punishment.
واستفزز من استطعت منهم بصوتك وأجلب عليهم بخيلك ورجلك وشاركهم في الأموال والأولاد وعدهم وما يعدهم الشيطان إلا غرورا.
And mislead those whom you have control over with your voice, and assault them with your cavalry and on-foot soldiers, and become their partner in wealth and children, and give them false promise, and the devil does not promise them but deception.
إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان وكفى بربك وكيلا.
Indeed, those who are my bondsmen, you do not have any power over them, and O beloved, your Lord is sufficient as the disposer of matters.
ربكم الذي يزجي لكم الفلك في البحر لتبتغوا من فضله إنه كان بكم رحيما.
Your Lord is He who causes the ship in the sea to sail for you, that you seek His bounty. Indeed, He is the most merciful upon you.
وإذا مسكم الضر في البحر ضل من تدعون إلا إياه فلما نجاكم إلى البر أعرضتم وكان الإنسان كفورا.
And when calamity strikes you in the sea, all those whom you worship except Him are hence lost from your memory. When He then rescues you by bringing you to land, you therefore turn your faces away, and mankind is extremely ungrateful.
أفأمنتم أن يخسف بكم جانب البر أو يرسل عليكم حاصبا ثم لا تجدوا لكم وكيلا.
Have you become fearless of the fact that He may cause an edge of any land to sink along with you, or send a storm of stones upon you, and you find no supporters for yourselves?
أم أمنتم أن يعيدكم فيه تارة أخرى فيرسل عليكم قاصفا من الريح فيغرقكم بما كفرتم ثم لا تجدوا لكم علينا به تبيعا.
Or have you become fearless of the fact that He may take you to sea again, then send a hurricane against you with the power to break ships, so that He may cause you to drown because of your disbelief? You do not then find for yourselves anyone to come after us concerning this, to question Allah.
ولقد كرمنا بني آدم وحملناهم في البر والبحر ورزقناهم من الطيبات وفضلناهم على كثير ممن خلقنا تفضيلا.
And we have indeed honored the descendants of Adam and transported them on land and sea, and gave them good things as sustenance, and made them superior than many, i.e., all of our creation.
يوم ندعو كل أناس بإمامهم فمن أوتي كتابه بيمينه فأولئك يقرؤون كتابهم ولا يظلمون فتيلا.
On the day when we shall summon every group along with its leader, so whoever is given his book of deeds in his right hand, these people will read their book of deeds, and their rights will not be violated, even as much as a thread.
وما كان في هذه أعمى فهو في الآخرة أعمى وأضل سبيلا.
Whoever is blind to see the path of truth in this life, he is blind in the hereafter and even more astray.
وإن كادوا ليفتنونك عن الذي أوحينا إليك لتفتري علينا غيره وإذا لاتخذوك خليلا.
And it was close that they could have caused you to slip up somewhat from the revelation we sent to you. They desired that you may attribute something else to us, and if it had occurred, they would have henceforth taken you as a close friend.
ولولا أن ثبتناك لقد كدت تركن إليهم شيئا قليلا.
And had we not kept you firm by making you infallible, so it was near that you might have inclined to them a little.
إذا لأذقناك ضعف الحياة وضعف الممات ثم لا تجد لك علينا نصيرا.
And if it would have been so, we would have then made you taste double the punishment in life and double after death. You would then not have found any supporter against us.
وإن كادوا ليستفزونك من الأرض ليخرجوك منها وإذا لا يلبثون خلافك إلا قليلا.
And it was indeed close that they could remove you from the land, that they could banish you from it. And if it had been so, after you, they would not have remained but a little.
سنة من قد أرسلنا قبلك من رسلنا ولا تجد لسنتنا تحويلا.
The tradition of the messengers whom we sent before you, and you will not find our law changing.
أقم الصلاة لدلوك الشمس إلى غسق الليل وقرآن الفجر إن قرآن الفجر كان مشهودا.
Keep salah established from the declining of the sun until the darkness of the night, and the Quran of the morning, i.e. Fajr Salah. Indeed, the angels are present at the Quran of the morning.
ومن الليل فتهجد به نافلة لك عسى أن يبعثك ربك مقاما محمودا.
And offer tahajjud in some part of the night. This is a special addition for you, O beloved.
It is near that your Lord may make you stand on a station where everyone may praise you.
وقل رب أدخلني مدخل صدق وأخرجني مخرج صدق واجعل لي من لدنك سلطانا نصيرا.
And request in this way, O my Lord, make me enter wherever with the truth, and take me out wherever with the truth, and give me from yourself supportive domination.
وقل جاء الحق وزهق الباطل إن الباطل كان زهوقا.
And say, O beloved, the truth has arrived and falsehood has perished. Indeed, falsehood had to perish.
وننزل من القرآن ما هو شفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين ولا يزيد الظالمين إلا خسارا.
And we sent down in the Quran that which is a cure and mercy for the believers, and only loss increases for the unjust because of it.
وإذا أنعمنا على الإنسان أعرض ونأى بجانبه وإذا مسه الشر كان يئوسا.
And when we bestow favors upon mankind, he turns his face away and goes far away towards himself, i.e., becomes arrogant. And when evil reaches him, he consequently loses hope.
قل كل يعمل على شاكلته فربكم أعلم بمن هو أهدى سبيلا.
Say you, O beloved, everyone acts according to his own method, and your Lord knows well who is more guided.
ويسألونك عن الروح قل الروح من أمر ربي وما أوتيتم من العلم إلا قليلا.
They ask you concerning the soul. Say you, O beloved, the soul is an entity from the command of my Lord. And O people, you did not receive knowledge but a little.
وَلَئِن شِئْنَا لَنَذْهَبَنَّ بِالَّذِي أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُ لَكَ بِهِ عَلَيْنَا وَكِيلًا.
And if we desired, we could have henceforth taken away this revelation which we have sent to you. You would have then not found anyone who could have advocated for you in our majestic court concerning this.
إِلَّا رَحْمَةً مِّن رَّبِّكَ إِنَّ فَضْلَهُ كَانَ عَلَيْكَ كَبِيرًا.
Except with the mercy of your Lord, indeed, His great benevolence is upon you, O beloved.
قل لئن اجتمعت الإنس والجن على أن يأتوا بمثل هذا القرآن لا يأتون بمثله ولو كان بعضهم لبعض ظهيرا.
Say you, O beloved, if all of mankind and jinn unite to bring something similar to this Quran, they will therefore not be able to bring the likes of it, even if they help each other.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ فَأَبَى أَكْثَرُ النَّاسِ إِلَّا كُفُورًا.
And we have certainly mentioned in this Quran all kinds of examples in various ways for the people. So, most people did not accept but to display ungratefulness.
وَقَالُوا لَن نُؤْمِنَ لَكَ حَتَّى تَفْجُرَ لَنَا مِنَ الْأَرْضِ يَنبُوعًا.
And they said, we will never believe in you until you cause a spring to gush forth from the earth for us.
أَوْ تَكُونَ لَكَ جَنَّةٌ مِّن نَخِيلٍ وَعِنَبٍ فَتُفَجِّرَ الْأَنْهَارَ خِلَالَهَا تَفْجِيرًا.
Or you have a garden of date trees and grapes, and you cause flowing rivers therein.
أَوْ تُسْقِطَ السَّمَاءَ كَمَا زَعَمْتَ عَلَيْنَا كِسَفًا أَوْ تَأْتِيَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْمَلَائِكَةِ قَبِيلًا.
Or you cause the sky to fall upon us piece by piece like you said, or bring Allah and the angels as guarantors.
أَوْ يَكُونَ لَكَ بَيْتٌ مِّن زُخْرُفٍ أَوْ تَرْقَىٰ فِي السَّمَاءِ وَلَن نُّؤْمِنَ لِرُقِيِّكَ حَتَّىٰ تُنَزِّلَ عَلَيْنَا كِتَابًا نَّقْرَؤُهُ قُلْ سُبْحَانَ رَبِّي هَلْ كُنتُ إِلَّا بَشَرًا رَّسُولًا.
Or you have a house of gold, or you ascend up into the heaven, and even then we shall not believe after you ascending up until you bring down a divine book for us, which we may read. Say you, O beloved, glory be to my Lord. Who am I, except a man sent by Allah as His messenger?
وَمَا مَنَعَ النَّاسَ أَن يُؤْمِنُوا إِذْ جَاءَهُمُ الْهُدَىٰ إِلَّا أَن قَالُوا أَبَعَثَ اللَّهُ بَشَرًا رَّسُولًا.
And what prevented people from believing when guidance came to them except their saying that, has Allah sent a human as a messenger?
قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ فِي الْأَرْضِ مَلَائِكَةٌ يَمْشُونَ مُطْمَئِنِّينَ لَنَزَّلْنَا عَلَيْهِم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ مَلَكًا رَّسُولًا.
Say you, O beloved, if instead of you there were angels walking peacefully on the earth, we would have henceforth sent down an angel also as a messenger towards them.
قُلْ كَفَى بِاللَّهِ شَهِيدًا بَيْنِي وَبَيْنَكُمْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ بِعِبَادِهِ خبيرا بصيرا.
Say you, O beloved, Allah is sufficient as a witness between me and you. Indeed, He knows and sees His bondsmen.
ومن يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد لهم أولياء من دونه ونحشرهم يوم القيامة على وجوههم عميا وبكما وصما مأواهم جهنم كلما خبت زدناهم سعيرا.
And only the one whom Allah guides is upon guidance, and whomever He causes to go astray, so you will not find for them any supporter other than Him. And we shall raise them on the day of resurrection on their faces, blind, dumb, and deaf. Their abode is hell. Whenever it will be about to extinguish, we will intensify the flame.
ذلك جزاؤهم بأنهم كفروا بآياتنا وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
This is their punishment because they denied our verses and said, when we shall become bones and tiny particles, will we really be raised up again?
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا أَنَّ اللَّهَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ قَادِرٌ عَلَىٰ أَن يَخْلُقَ مِثْلَهُمْ وَجَعَلَ لَهُمْ أَجَلًا لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ فَأَبَى الظَّالِمُونَ إِلَّا كُفُورًا.
Do they not see that Allah who has created the heavens and the earth can make the likes of those people and has set a term for them in which there is no doubt? So the transgressors do not accept besides being ungrateful.
قُلْ لَوْ أَنْتُمْ تَمْلِكُونَ خَزَائِنَ رَحْمَةِ رَبِّي إِذًا لَأَمْسَكْتُمْ خَشْيَةَ الْإِنفَاقِ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ قَتُورًا.
Say you, O beloved, if you possessed the treasures of the mercy of my Lord, you would have henceforth held it back as well, out of fear that it may get spent. And mankind is a great miser.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى 9 آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ فَاسْأَلْ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ إِذْ جَاءَهُمْ فَقَالَ له فِرْعَوْنُ إِنِّي لَأَظُنُّكَ يَا مُوسَى مَسْحُورًا.
And we indeed gave Musa 9 clear signs. Hence, asked the descendants of Israel when he came to them. Fir'aun therefore said to him, O Musa, I think you have been affected by magic.
قال لقد علمت ما أنزل هؤلاء إلا رب السماوات والأرض بصائر وإني لأظنك يا فرعون مثبورا.
He, Musa, said, You certainly know well that these signs were not sent down except by the Lord of the heavens and the earth, as eye-openers of the heart, and I think that you, O Fir'aun, are definitely to be destroyed.
فأراد أن يستفزهم من الأرض فأغرقناه ومن معه جميعا.
He therefore desired to banish them from the land. We consequently drowned him and his companions together.
وَقُلْنَا مِن بَعْدِهِ لِبَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ اسْكُنُوا الْأَرْضَ فَإِذَا جَاءَ وَعْدُ الْآخِرَةِ جِئْنَا بِكُمْ لَفِيفًا
And after drowning him, we said to the descendants of Israel, reside in this land. Then, when the promise of the hereafter will come, we will bring you all enfolded together.
وبالحق أنزلناه وبالحق نزل وما أرسلناك إلا مبشرا ونذيرا.
And we sent down the Quran only with the truth, and it has come down only with the truth, and we did not send you except as a conveyor of glad tidings and a warner.
وقرآنا فرقناه لتقرأه على الناس على مكث ونزلناه تنزيلا.
And we send down the Quran in segments that you may recite it to the people at a gradual pace, and we sent it down bit by bit in stages.
قل آمنوا به أو لا تؤمنوا إن الذين أوتوا العلم من قبله إذا يتلى عليهم يخرون للأذقان سجدا.
Say you, O beloved, whether you people believe in it or not. Indeed, those who received knowledge of the previous books before it was sent down, when it is recited to them, they fall down on their faces in prostration.
ويقولون سبحان ربنا إن كان وعد ربنا لمفعولا.
And they say, glory be to our Lord. Indeed, the promise of our Lord was to be fulfilled.
ويخرون للأذقان يبكون ويزيدهم خشوعا.
And they fall down on their faces weeping, and this Quran increases their heart to submit humbly.
قل ادعوا الله أو ادعوا الرحمن أيما تدعوا فله الأسماء الحسنى ولا تجهر بصلاتك ولا تخافت بها وابتغ بين ذلك سبيلا.
Say you, O beloved, call upon him by saying Allah, or by saying the most gracious, whichever you call. All are his splendid names, and offer your salah neither very loudly nor very softly, and seek a way in between both of these.
وقل الحمد لله الذي لم يتخذ ولدا ولم يكن له شريك في الملك ولم يكن يكن له ولي من الذل وكبره تكبيرا.
And say in this manner, all praise is due to Allah, who has not chosen a son for himself, and in kingship no one is his partner, and no one is his supporter due to weakness, and glorify him by saying takbir. Surah Al-Kahf. This surah is Makkiyah, containing 110 verses and 12 sections.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
الحمد لله الذي أنزل على عبده الكتاب ولم يجعل له عوجا.
All praise is due to Allah, who sent down the book upon his bondsman and has not kept any deviation therein at all.
قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا.
A book of justice to warn of Allah's severe punishment, and to give glad tidings to the believers who perform good deeds, that from them is a great reward,
ماكثين فيه أبدا.
in which they will abide forever.
وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا.
And to warn those who say that Allah has chosen for himself a child.
ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا.
In this regard, they did not have any knowledge at all, nor did their forefathers. How grave is the word that comes out of their mouths. They are utterly lying.
فلعلك باخع نفسك على آثارهم إن لم يؤمنوا بهذا الحديث أسفا.
So perhaps you will risk your life out of grief over them if they did not believe in it.
إنا جعلنا ما على الأرض زينة لها لنبلوهم أيهم أحسن عملا.
We have indeed adorned the earth with whatever is therein, in order that we may test them as to who amongst them has the best deeds.
وَإِنَّا لَجَاعِلُونَ مَا عَلَيْهَا صَعِيدًا جُرُزًا.
And indeed, whatever is therein, we will one day turn it into plain dry ground.
أَمْ حَسِبْتَ أَنَّ أَصْحَابَ الْكَهْفِ وَالرَّقِيمِ كَانُوا مِنْ آيَاتِنَا عَجَبًا.
Did you know that the people of the cave and the people on the edge of the forest were a wonderful sign of ours?
إِذْ أَوَى الْفِتْيَةُ إِلَى الْكَهْفِ فَقَالُوا رَبَّنَا آتِنَا مِنْ لَدُنْكَ رَحْمَةً وَهَيِّئْ لَنَا مِنْ أَمْرِنَا رَشَدًا.
When those young men took refuge in the cave, they then said, O our Lord, bestow upon us mercy from yourself and provide for us guidance in our matter.
فَضَرَبْنَا عَلَىٰ آذَانِهِمْ فِي الْكَهْفِ سِنِينَ عَدَدًا.
We henceforth put a cover of deep sleep upon their ears for a number of years in that cave.
ثُمَّ بَعَثْنَاهُمْ لِنَعْلَمَ أَيُّ الْحِزْبَيْنِ أَحْصَىٰ لِمَا لَبِثُوا أَمَدًا.
We then awakened them to see which of the two groups are more accurate in stating the period of their stay.
نحن نقص عليك نبأهم بالحق إنهم فتية آمنوا بربهم وزدناهم هدى.
We shall narrate their situation to you accurately. They were young men who believed in their Lord, and we increased guidance for them.
وربطنا على قلوبهم إذ قاموا فقالوا ربنا رب السماوات والأرض لن ندعو من دونه إلها لقد قلنا إذا شططا.
And we had strengthened their hearts when they stood up and said, Our Lord is He who is the Lord of the heavens and the earth. We shall not worship any other deity except Him. If we did so, we have then definitely said something that crossed the limit.
هؤلاء قوم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة لولا يأتون عليهم بسلطان بين فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا.
These who are our people have appointed gods other than Allah. Why do they not bring a clear proof regarding worshipping them? And who is more unjust than the one who fabricates lie against Allah?
وَإِذِ اعْتَزَلْتُمُوهُمْ وَمَا يَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ فَأْوُوا إِلَى الْكَهْفِ يَنشُرْ لَكُمْ رَبُّكُمْ من رحمته ويهيئ لكم من أمركم مرفقا.
And when you have disassociated yourselves from them and all what they worship other than Allah, so take refuge in the cave. Your Lord will spread His mercy for you and will arrange the means to give ease in your matter.
وترى الشمس إذا طلعت تزاور عن كهفهم ذات اليمين وإذا غربت تقرضهم ذات الشمال وهم في فجوة منه ذلك من آيات الله من يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا.
And O beloved, you will see the sun, that when it rises, it shifts away to the right side of their cave. And when it sets, it shifts away to their left, whereas they are in open ground of that cave. This is from amongst the signs of Allah. Whomever Allah guides, only He is guided, and whomever He causes to go astray, you will never find for him a supporter who guides.
وَتَحْسَبُهُمْ أَيْقَاظًا وَهُمْ رُقُودٌ وَنُقَلِّبُهُمْ ذَاتَ الْيَمِينِ وَذَاتَ الشِّمَالِ وَكَلْبُهُمْ باسط ذراعيه بالوصيد لو اطلعت عليهم لوليت منهم فرارا ولملئت منهم رعبا.
And you may think they are awake, whereas they are asleep. And we alternate their positions to the right side and the left side. And their dog has stretched his forelegs forward on the threshold of the cave. O listener, were you to actually peep at them closely, you would have therefore turned back and would have ran away from them and would have been filled with dread because of them.
وَكَذَلِكَ بَعَثْنَاهُمْ لِيَتَسَاءَلُوا بَيْنَهُمْ قَالَ قَائِلٌ مِّنْهُمْ كَمْ لَبِثْتُمْ قَالُوا لَبِثْنَا يَوْمًا أَوْ بَعْضَ يَوْمٍ قالوا ربكم أعلم بما لبثتم فابعثوا أحدكم بورقكم هذه إلى المدينة فلينظر أيها أزكى طعاما فليأتكم برزق منه وليتلطف ولا يشعرن بكم أحدا.
And likewise we awaken them, that they may inquire about each other. A speaker amongst them said, "How long have you stayed here?" Some said that, "We have stayed a day or less than a day." The other said, "Your Lord knows well how long you have stayed. Therefore, send one of you to the city with this silver coin. He may then determine which food is purer, so that he brings some for you to eat. And he should be gentle and should not inform anyone about you."
إنهم إن يظهروا عليكم يرجموكم أو يعيدوكم في ملتهم ولن تفلحوا إذا أبدا.
Indeed, if they come to know about you, they will stone you or will turn you back to their religion. And if this happens, you will therefore never succeed.
وكذلك أعثرنا عليهم ليعلموا أن وعد الله حق وأن الساعة لا ريب فيها إذ يتنازعون بينهم أمرهم فقالوا ابنوا عليهم بنيانا ربهم أعلم بهم قال الذين غلبوا على أمرهم لنتخذن عليهم مسجدا.
And this is how we made them known for the people to become aware that the promise of Allah is true and that there is no doubt concerning the last day. When the people began disputing amongst themselves regarding them, they said, "Construct a building over the cave. Their Lord knows them well. Those who dominated in this matter said, we swear an oath that we will build a mosque over them.
سيقولون ثلاثة رابعهم كلبهم ويقولون خمسة سادسهم كلبهم رجما بالغيب ويقولون سبعة وثامنهم كلبهم قل ربي أعلم بعدتهم ما يعلمهم إلا قليل فلا تمار فيهم إلا مراء ظاهرا ولا تستفت فيهم منهم أحدا.
They will now say that they are 3, the 4th is their dog, and some will say they are 5, the 6th is their dog. These are all guesses without seeing, and some will say they are 7, and the 8th is their dog. Say you, O beloved, my Lord knows well their number. No one except a few knows them. Therefore, do not argue about them, but to extent of what is apparently articulated. And do not ask any person of the book anything concerning them.
ولا تقولن لشيء إني فاعل ذلك غدا.
And do not ever say about anything that I will do it tomorrow.
إلا أن يشاء الله واذكر ربك إذا نسيت وقل عسى أن يهديني ربي لأقرب من هذا رشدا.
Except this, that if Allah wills, and remember your Lord when you forget, and say it in this way, it is near that my Lord will show me a closer way of guidance than this incident.
وَلَبِثُوا فِي كَهْفِهِمْ 300 سِنِينَ وَازْدَادُوا تِسْعًا.
And they stayed in their cave for 300 years, and 9 more.
قُلِ اللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا لَبِثُوا لَهُ غَيْبُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ أَبْصِرْ بِهِ وَأَسْمِعْ مَا لَهُم مِّن دُونِهِ مِن وَلِيٍّ وَلَا يُشْرِكُ فِي حُكْمِهِ أَحَدًا.
Say you, O beloved, Allah knows best how long they stayed. Only for Him are all the unseen of the heavens and the earth. How well He sees and how well He hears. They do not have any helper other than Him, and He does not associate anyone in His command.
وَاتْلُ مَا أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ مِن كِتَابِ رَبِّكَ لَا مُبَدِّلَ لِكَلِمَاتِهِ وَلَن تَجِدَ مِن دُونِهِ مُلْتَحَدًا.
And recite the book of your Lord which has been revealed to you. There is no one who can change His words, and you will never find refuge in other than Him.
واصبر نفسك مع الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ولا تعد عيناك عنهم تريد زينة الحياة الدنيا ولا تطع من أغفلنا قلبه عن ذكرنا واتبع هواه وكان أمره فرطا.
And keep your soul familiar to those who call upon their Lord in the morning and the evening, seeking His pleasure. And may your sight not fall upon any other except them. Would you desire the adornment of the life of this world? And do not follow him, whose heart we have caused to become neglectful of our remembrance, and who followed his own desires, and his action has crossed the limit.
وَقُلِ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّكُمْ فَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيُؤْمِنْ وَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيَكْفُرْ إِنَّا أَعْتَدْنَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ نَارًا أَحَاطَ بِهِمْ سُرَادِقُهَا وَإِنْ يَسْتَغِيثُوا يُغَاثُوا بِمَاءٍ كَالْمُهْلِ يَشْوِي الْوُجُوهَ بئس الشراب وساءت مرتفقا.
And say, O beloved, that the truth is from your Lord. So whoever wishes may accept faith, and whoever desires may disbelieve. We have indeed prepared for the transgressors, i.e., disbelievers, of fire, the walls of which will surround them. And if they plead for water, their plea will be answered with water like molten metal, which will roast their faces. What an evil drink, and what an evil abode is hell.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات إنا لا نضيع أجر من أحسن عملا.
Indeed, those who believed and did good deeds, we do not waste the reward of those whose deeds are good.
أولئك لهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتهم الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ويلبسون ثيابا خضرا من سندس واستبرق متكئين فيها على الأرائك نعم الثواب وحسنت مرتفقا.
For them are gardens for living beneath which rivers flow. They will be given bracelets of gold to wear therein, and shall wear green clothing of fine and thick silk. Therein leaning upon couches. What an excellent reward and what an excellent place of comfort is paradise.
واضرب لهم مثل الرجلين جعلنا لأحدهما جنتين من أعناب وحففناهما بنخل وجعلنا بينهما زرعا.
And relate to them the account of two men. To one of them we gave 2 gardens of grapes and covered them with date trees and kept agricultural farming between them.
كلتا الجنتين آتت أكلها ولم تظلم منه شيئا وفجرنا خلالهما نهرا.
Both the gardens bore their fruits and gave no shortage therein, and we caused a stream to flow between the two.
وكان له ثمر فقال لصاحبه وهو يحاوره أنا أكثر منك مالا وأعز نفرا.
And he had fruits. He therefore said to his companion, whilst exchanging views with him, I am wealthier than you, and I am more powerful in respect of the number of men.
ودخل جنته وهو ظالم لنفسه قال ما أظن أن تبيد هذه أبدا.
He went into his garden whilst doing wrong to himself. He said, I do not perceive that this will ever perish.
وما أظن الساعة قائمة ولئن رددت إلى ربي لأجدن خيرا منها منقلبا.
And I do not think that the last day will ever be established. And even if I were to return to my Lord, I will hence definitely find a better place of return than this garden.
قال له صاحبه وهو يحاوره أكفرت بالذي خلقك من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم سواك رجلا.
His companion said, whilst debating with him, do you disbelieve in him who has created you from dust, then from a drop of refined liquid, then accurately made you a man?
لكن هو الله ربي ولا أشرك بربي أحدا.
But I only say this, that He, Allah, is my Lord, and I do not ascribe anyone as partner to my Lord.
ولولا دخلت جنتك قلت ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله إن ترني أنا أقل منك مالا وولدا.
And why was it not so that when you entered your garden, you could have said, whatever Allah wills, we do not have any strength except by the help of Allah, if you saw me lower than you in wealth and children.
فعسى ربي أن يؤتيني خيرا من جنتك ويرسل عليها حسبانا من السماء فتصبح صعيدا زلقا.
So it is near that my Lord may give me a garden better than yours, and send bolts of lightning from the skies on your garden, so it changes into plain bare ground.
أو يصبح ماؤها غورا فلن تستطيع له طلبا.
Or its water may sink into the earth, you may then never be able to find it.
وأحيط بثمره فأصبح يقلب كفيه على ما أنفق فيها وهي خاوية على عروشها ويقول يا ليتني لم أشرك بربي أحدا.
And his fruits were surrounded by ruin. He therefore remained helplessly wringing his hands upon that investment which he had made on that garden, and it had fallen on its trellises. And he is saying, alas, if only I had not ascribed any partner to my Lord.
ولم تكن له فئة ينصرونه من دون الله وما كان منتصرا.
And he had no group to help him against Allah, nor was he capable of taking revenge.
هنالك الولاية لله الحق هو خير ثوابا وخير عقبا.
Here it becomes clear that authority is only for the true Allah. Reward from Him is the best, and believing in Him has the best outcome.
واضرب لهم مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء إن أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض فأصبح هشيما تذروه الرياح وكان الله على كل شيء مقتدرا.
And relate to them the example of the life of this world, like a water we sent down from the sky. So due to it, vegetation of the earth grew forth in abundance, that it became dry grass which the winds scatter. And Allah is the one who controls everything.
المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا والباقيات الصالحات خير عند ربك ثوابا وخير أملا.
Wealth and sons are adornments of the life of this world, and good things which last, their reward is better by your Lord, and they are the best in terms of hope.
ويوم نسير الجبال وترى الأرض بارزة وحشرناهم فلم نغادر منهم أحدا.
And the day when we shall cause the mountains to move away, and you shall see the earth clearly open, and we shall raise them, i.e., the people, so we will not leave out any one of them.
وعرضوا على ربك صفا لقد جئتمونا كما خلقناكم أول مرة بل زعمتم أن لن نجعل لكم موعدا.
And everyone shall be presented in the majestic court of your Lord in rows. Indeed, you have come to us the same way as we had created you the first time. Rather, you thought that we will never fix the promised time for you.
ووضع الكتاب فترى المجرمين مشفقين مما فيه ويقولون يا ويلتنا ما لهذا الكتاب لا يغادر صغيرة ولا كبيرة إلا أحصاها ووجدوا ما عملوا حاضرا ولا يظلم ربك أحدا.
And the book of deeds shall be placed, and you will observe the culprits fearing what is written therein, and will say, Woe to us! What has happened to this book? It has not left out any sin, minor or major, which it has not encompassed. And they found all that they did present in front of them, and your Lord does not do injustice to anyone.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ كَانَ مِنَ الْجِنِّ فَفَسَقَ عَنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّهِ أَفَتَتَّخِذُونَهُ وَذُرِّيَّتَهُ أَوْلِيَاءَ مِن دُونِي وَهُمْ لَكُمْ عَدُوٌّ بِئْسَ لِلظَّالِمِينَ بَدَلًا.
And recall when we commanded the angels that prostrate to Adam, they all therefore prostrated except for Iblis, the devil, that he was from the nation of Jinn. He consequently deviated from the command of his Lord. O people, do you choose him, the devil, and his offspring as your friends instead of me, whereas they are your enemies? And what an evil alternative did the unjust receive.
أشهدتهم خلق السماوات والأرض ولا خلق أنفسهم وما كنت متخذ المضلين عضدا.
Neither did I make them present at the time of creating the heavens and the earth, nor at the time of their own creation, nor does it befit my majesty to choose those as helpers who lead others astray.
ويوم يقول نادوا شركائي الذين زعمتم فدعوهم فلم يستجيبوا لهم وجعلنا بينهم موبقا.
And the day when he will proclaim that, call those partners of mine whom you had assumed as my partners. They will therefore call out to them. They will not answer them, and we shall create a field of destruction between them.
ورأى المجرمون النار فظنوا أنهم مواقعوها ولم يجدوا عنها مصرفا.
And the culprits will see hell, so they will be certain that they are to fall into it, and they will find no place of escape therefrom.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ لِلنَّاسِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ أَكْثَرَ شَيْءٍ جَدَلًا.
And we have undoubtedly explained all kinds of example in various ways for mankind in this Quran, and mankind is the most quarrelsome of all things.
وَمَا مَنَعَ النَّاسَ أَن يُؤْمِنُوا إِذْ جَاءَهُمُ الْهُدَى وَيَسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّهُمْ إِلَّا أَن تَأْتِيَهُمْ سُنَّةُ الْأَوَّلِينَ أو يأتيهم العذاب قبلا.
And what prevented people from this? That they would have believed when guidance came to them and would have sought forgiveness from their Lord, except this, that the tradition of the former nations should come upon them, or that various kinds of punishment should come upon them.
وَمَا نُرْسِلُ الْمُرْسَلِينَ إِلَّا مُبَشِّرِينَ وَمُنذِرِينَ وَيُجَادِلُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِالْبَاطِلِ لِيُدْحِضُوا بِهِ الْحَقَّ وَاتَّخَذُوا آيَاتِي وَمَا أُنذِرُوا هُزُوًا.
And we do not send the messengers except as conveyors of glad tidings and warnings, and those who are disbelievers argue using falsehood in order to drive away the truth with it, and they made a mockery of my verses and the warnings which were conveyed to them.
ومن أظلم ممن ذكر بآيات ربه فأعرض عنها ونسي ما قدمت يداه إنا جعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإن تدعهم إلى الهدى فلن يهتدوا إذا أبدا.
And who is more unjust than the one who is reminded of the verses of his Lord, and he turns his face away from them and forgets what his hands have sent forward? We have put covers on their hearts that they do not understand the Quran, and heaviness in their ears, and even if you call them towards guidance, they will still consequently never attain the right path.
وَرَبُّكَ الْغَفُورُ ذُو الرَّحْمَةِ لَوْ يُؤَاخِذُهُم بما كسبوا لعجل لهم العذاب بل لهم موعد لن يجدوا من دونه موئلا.
And your Lord is most forgiving, ever merciful. Had he seized them on account of their doings, he would have henceforth sent the punishment upon them quickly, but for them is a promised time against which they will not find any refuge.
وَتِلْكَ الْقُرَىٰ أَهْلَكْنَاهُمْ لَمَّا ظَلَمُوا وَجَعَلْنَا لِمَهْلِكِهِم مَّوْعِدًا.
And these towns we have destroyed when they, i.e., its people, committed injustice, and we had set an appointed time for their destruction.
وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِفَتَاهُ لَا أَبْرَحُ حَتَّى أَبْلُغَ مَجْمَعَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ أَوْ أَمْضِيَ حُقُبًا.
And recall when Musa said to his assistant, I will not desist until I reach the place where two seas meet, or I may continue walking for years.
فَلَمَّا بَلَغَا مَجْمَعَ بَيْنِهِمَا نَسِيَا حُوتَهُمَا فَاتَّخَذَ سَبِيلَهُ فِي الْبَحْرِ سَرَبًا.
And when they both reached the place where the two seas meet, they forgot about their fish, and it made its way into the sea, making a tunnel.
فَلَمَّا جَاوَزَا قَالَ لِفَتَاهُ آتِنَا غَدَاءَنَا لَقَدْ لَقِينَا مِنْ سَفَرِنَا هَذَا نَصَبًا.
So when they passed therefrom, Musa said to his assistant, Bring our breakfast. We have indeed faced great hardship in this journey of ours.
قال أرأيت إذ أوينا إلى الصخرة فإني نسيت الحوت وما أنسانيه إلا الشيطان أن أذكره واتخذ سبيله في البحر عجبا.
He, the assistant, said, Let me explain. So, when we had taken rest near the rock, I indeed hence forgot about the fish, and only the devil caused me to forget to mention it. And the fish found its way into the sea. How astonishing!
قال ذلك ما كنا نبغي فارتدا على آثارهما قصصا.
Said Musa, This is exactly what we wanted, so they came back following their footsteps.
فوجدا عبدا من عبادنا آتيناه رحمة من عندنا وعلمناه من لدنا علما.
So they found a bondsman, i.e., Khizr, from amongst our bondsmen, to whom we bestowed mercy from ourselves, and bestowed upon him ilm laduni, divinely inspired knowledge from us.
قال له موسى هل أتبعك على أن تعلمني مما علمت رشدا.
Musa said to him, May I stay with you on this condition, that you teach me that righteous matter which you have been taught?
قال إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He, Khizr, said, You will never be able to stay with me.
وكيف تصبر على ما لم تحط به خبرا.
And how will you keep patience on something which your knowledge does not encompass?
قال ستجدني إن شاء الله صابرا ولا أعصي لك أمرا.
Musa said, Allah willing, you will soon find me patient, and I will not do anything against your command.
قال فإن اتبعتني فلا تسألني عن شيء حتى أحدث لك منه ذكرا.
He, Khizr, said, so if you stay with me, do not ask me about anything until I mention it to you myself.
فانطلقا حتى إذا ركبا في السفينة خرقها قال أخرقتها لتغرق أهلها لقد جئت شيئا إمرا.
Now they both walked until they had boarded the boat. That bondsman Khidr slit the boat. Said Musa, did you slice it in order to drown its passengers? You have indeed done wrong.
قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He, Khizr, said, did I not say that you will never be able to remain with me?
قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا.
Musa said, do not apprehend me for my forgetting, and do not impose difficulty upon me in my task.
فانطلقا حتى إذا لقيا غلاما فقتله قال أقتلت نفسا زكية بغير نفس لقد جئت شيئا نكرا.
They then both resumed their journey until they met a boy. The bondsman Khizr killed him. Musa said, did you kill a pure soul without any retribution for another soul? You have indeed done something extremely wrong.